Okay, so this is kind of a catch-all grouping of gear. I call it kind of my cache gear. It's kind of secondary stuff. It's not really super expensive. Most of the stuff is picked up, older stuff at you know, the Army surplus store for, you know, a few bucks here and there. So as I come across an Army surplus store and kind of add to this kit, essentially, it really is kind of a supplemental kit to be able to hand off to somebody else primarily, or if I just need additional items, I can kind of dip into them for myself. So pretty much just I've got water, so two quarts of water here, and then a 2-quart bladder, entrenching tool, a Garrett, saw, sewing kit, little face paint, some trioxane and a stove, utensil set, extra batteries, the cup, cup and stove set for that goes around the canteen, some chemical sticks, a MS-2000 strobe, lensatic compass, Ranger beads, protractor, Fresnel lens, a small first aid kit, cleaning kit and earplugs for a rifle, 7 magazines, so 6 to be put on the pouch, 3 on each pouch, and then the 7th in the firearm itself, just a 10-rounder there. And then one of those right angle flashlights is pretty cool. They're old school. I think they're fun. A couple carabiners, some lightweight rope, sniper veil, and then the kind of webbing gear with all the pouches on it, and then a separate butt pack, goggles, and then I have Gore-Tex top and bottom, heavyweight top, and then poncho and poncho liner. Minus oh, and then a lighter for starting fire. I don't know what else to add to this kit. I would really like some suggestions, something that that people might see that I might throw in that would be helpful, or if they see something that you probably don't like or whatever that I could swap out, let me know. Again, it was just kind of cheap stuff from the Army surplus store, so if there's something I should keep an eye out for, let me know, and I could add to this kit what I call my kind of cache kit.